I had an uncle who was a crime scene investigator. I used to go to work with him on a lot of days, and it was interesting. Never thought I would be a police officer. I was a very girly girl. Never thought I'd be jumping fences and fighting crime, but this is the profession I chose. Working the streets, I really enjoyed being on patrol. When I was chosen to become a detective, I prepared myself to go in and do the job that was needed of me. You definitely realize how blessed you are just seeing how some people live and some of the things that they've endured throughout their lives. Just to know that I did all that I could do to help that person get out of their situation if I can, that's what makes me come back every day. My name is Chrislyn Palmer. I'm a detective with the Galveston Police Department's Family Services Unit. I protect with respect.